Hey there crafters, I am back with a cute little tutorial. I saw this card or very similar on my Facebook page Memories the other day and just had to try again. I've used some of my soft subtle colours and I am using my square block to create a stamp. Just use different colours and make them into a grid. I added a black sentiment over the top, and then from there in my white cardstock I've scored some of the lines to add some extra texture. This is a really great idea and a simple, stunning technique for beginners as well.